So, umpisahan natin sa how to create a business account sa PayPal. So, PayPal, yan. Search nyo lang sa Google and then go to paypal.com, right? Wait lang. So, ang gagawin nyo is sign up, no? Kasi gagawa kayo ng bagong account, right? So, sign up dito sa upper right corner. And then, ayan, nakita nyo naman, merong personal, merong business. Ano bang difference, no? Kapag business kasi, you can accept customers' preferred payment methods. Um, you can easily integrate with tools and you can sell with your brand, 'di ba? So we will choose business. Wala namang pinagkaiba yan. Parehas lang ng proseso. Mas maganda lang yung business talaga, no? Kasi para sa negosyo mo, right? And then click on get started. Actually guys, meron na akong sariling PayPal, but this is just to show you, no, demonstrate with you paano siya gagawin. So, eto lalagyan mo lang yung pangalan mo. So, syempre dapat yung full name, no? Kunyari yung full name ko is JM. Tapos Aquino, then Globio. Then email address is kung ano yung email address na gagamitin mo. So, let's say, set kayo ng password. Yan. So, dapat yung password na gagamitin nyo is between 8 to 20 characters. Dapat merong upper and lower case. And dapat merong at least isang number or symbol. So, ito yung mga symbol. Diba? Or number. And then, after nyan, i-tick nyo yung box that you have read and agree to the user agreement and privacy statement. So ngayon, click nyo lang tong agree and create account. There. Ayan. So, si PayPal, magsisend siya ng confirmation email dun sa nilagay mong email address. So, check ko yun sa email ko, no? Wait lang. Okay, so yun, na-receive ko na yung email. And then, ilalagay na natin yung code. Okay. Ayan. So, ngayon, nilagay natin yung authentication code. Ayan. So, sabi ni PayPal, activate your account to start using PayPal. We'll guide you every step of the way. Enter info about your business or organization. We just need the basics like its name, contact information, and tax ID number. Share some personal information as well. So now let's go. Individual seller. Business type, individual. And then, yung date of birth. Ano ba yan? Marireveal yung birthday ko dito. So, ayan. Tatakpan ko na lang. And then your phone number. Ayan. And then your address. Ayan. So, and then, after you provide your personal information, click on next. Alright, so, kailangan niya naman yung about the business. So, ano yung business name? Ito naman is registration certificate. Let's say kung wala. Tingnan natin. Dito naman, what do you sell? Wala bang digital product? Digital. Ayan. Digital goods, media, books, movies, music. Yes. Website. Use your residential address na lang. For the business address. No? Try natin. Hindi ko nilagyan yung business registration number. Let's see. Next. Ayan, di ba? Wala naman, nag-go through naman siya kahit wala akong nilagay na business registration number. Ngayon, nag-send daw siya ng text, ay magte-text pala siya. So, click nyo 'tong text you a code para ma-receive natin yung confirmation. Ayan. I'm waiting for the text na lang. Now, kung matagal pa rin at wala pa ring code na sinesend, meron naman siyang need more options. So, try natin 'to 'no. Kasi wala pa rin ako nare-receive sa ano ko, sa phone ko. Okay. So, either text or call. Hmm, sige text ulit natin. Kasi so far wala pa akong nare-receive. Ayan. So, gagamitin niyo lang yung code na sinend sa text. Now you're all set. Oh, 'di ba? And then ngayon dahil naka-create ka na ng business account, puwede mo ng i-link yung bank mo. So, click mo lang yung bank, link a bank, and then dito na nilalagay yung, um, mga details 'no. So, kung anong bank name, yung bank code, account number, yeah? Um, and then after niyo i-provide yung bank details, i-click niyo na lang yung link your bank. I think it would ano, require a few days. How many days does it take for PayPal to link my bank? Ayun, 3 to 5 business daw guys. So wait niyo na lang after niyo i-provide yung bank details niyo, um, wait niyo na lang like, 3 to 5 business days, and then balikan niyo na lang yung PayPal account niyo, yeah. So that's it. Yun lang yung, mga steps how to, set up your business PayPal account. Alright? And I'll see you on the next one.